Tech Data, a TD SYNNEX company, connects and empowers a vibrant business outcomes and unlock growth opportunities by simplifying complexity for our vendors and customers, allowing new technologies to be effortlessly adopted. With our dedicated team of the IT industry's best and brightest, we passionately deliver compelling technology that enhances the way we work, play, and live. As the intense pace of the IT marketplace continues to transform, we will remain at the center, orchestrating essential solutions, delivering vital, high-growth technologies, and working to sustain the world around us. With 50 years of success at our backs, we continue to evolve and improve the ways we support our partners. We believe anyone can achieve great outcomes with technology. And Tech Data, a TD SYNNEX company, is proud to make that happen every day. Tech Data, a TD SYNNEX company, connects and empowers a vibrant, expansive ecosystem of innovative companies that create solutions for increasingly complex business challenges. We help more than 150,000 customers maximize the value of IT investments, achieve business outcomes, and unlock growth opportunities by simplifying complexity for our vendors and customers, allowing new technologies to be effortlessly adopted. With our dedicated team of the IT industry's best and brightest, we passionately deliver compelling technology that enhances the way we work, play, and live. As the intense pace of the IT marketplace continues to transform, we will remain at the center, orchestrating essential solutions, delivering vital, high-growth technologies, and working to sustain the world around us. With 50 years of success at our backs, we continue to evolve and improve the ways we support our partners. We believe anyone can achieve great outcomes with technology. And Tech Data, a TD SYNNEX company, is proud to make that happen every day. Tech
All right, so Advani, shall we begin?
Yes, let's fix that.
Great, thank you. So hello to everyone who has joined us so far. My name is Ritika, and on behalf of Tech Data, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you for joining our exclusive webinar on Data Analytics 101. Please note that this is the fifth session in our highly popular webinar series, the next of which will be focused on our digital practice builder for analytics. So stay tuned for more details from Tech Data on the same. Now, without further ado, let me quickly brief you on what we have lined up for today. Our first speaker for this webinar is Seong Hwat. Seong is an experienced solution architect in our Tech Data Center of Excellence with over a decade of experience in data science, web development, and cloud computing. Today, he will take you through some key concepts of analytics, its enormous market opportunity, and share a few success stories with you. Taking this exciting journey ahead after Seong is our next key speaker, Karan Balchandani. Karan is also a part of our Tech Center of Excellence and overlooks the entire Asia Pacific and Japan region as a senior manager. He is a seasoned IT professional with nearly 2 decades of experience in data center infrastructure, data center software, and multi-cloud services. Today, Karan will walk you through Tech Data's stellar solutions capability, which will enable you to go to market and scale your business at speed. We will conclude today's webinar with a Q&A session, so please put up your questions, if any, in the Q&A box, and we will respond to them at the end of the webinar. You can also turn on the transcription feature when needed. All you need to do is select the More option in the top menu and click Show Transcript or Start Transcription. And with that, I would like to hand it over to Seong. Seong, the stage is all yours.
Thanks, Ritika. So welcome everyone to our sessions on Analytics 101, unlocking the power of data. So I'm Xiong Huat and we'll explore how data analytics can be a powerful driver of growth and innovation within your organizations. We'll guide you through the key concept and demonstrate how you can harness your data to unlock the variables insights and propel your business forward. Let's get started on this exciting journey. So let's start by going over today's agenda. First, we're going to talk about understanding data analytics, where we'll explain what data analytics is and why it is important for your business. Then we'll look at into the market's prospect and the field growth and drive sales, showing how data analytics can help you find the new opportunities and boost the sales. Then we'll cover analytics aggregated solutions, where we'll introduce a different tools and solution that can tailor to fit your business needs. After that, we'll share some real life use case or win case, highlighting how others companies have successfully used analytics to achieve their goals. Finally, we'll discuss some tech data's value offerings and show how we can help you to get most out of your data. So let's get started with the first topic. So let's start by defining what we mean by data analytics. Simply put, data analytics is the process of examining the raw data to find patterns, draw conclusions, and help to make better decisions. So it is all about turning data into a useful information that a business can add on. So as you can see from the slide, data analytics help improve performance, efficiency, and profit by making decision makings smarter and more informed. So the process often use automated tools and algorithms to analyze the data quickly and accurately. So there are different types of analytics we'll touch on later, including like descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. So as business growth, using an AI-driven analytics can unlock even deeper insights, enabling real-time decisions and predictive actions. So this is the foundation we'll build on and we'll move to forward today's in today's sessions. So let's start by looking at how crude oil is transformed into a valuable product. First, crude oil is extracted from the ground, right? It's a common sense. Then it is transported to the refinery where it undergoes the storage until it's ready for refining and processing. That is where the crude oil being turned into a useful product like gasoline. Finally, it reached the consumer as the end product, which is ready for use and it is valuable. Now let's compare this to the data analytic process. We begin with data injections, where the raw data is collected. And this data is then moved to the right system for processing, like oil. It is stored until needed for data mining and explorations, where it is refined into the more actionable insights. So these insights represent the end products, and it drives the value and it is decision making in businesses. So this analogy actually highlight that how each stage of the both processes is essential for turning the raw material, whether it is oil or is it data, into something real value. Let's explore the different type of analytics. So each adding more value as we progress. The first one we have here is the descriptive analytic, which answer what is happening and is used by almost every organization. So it involves analyzing the historical data through reports like sales figures and profit and loss statements. For example, a monthly sales report is a typical use of descriptive analytics. Then we have the diagnostic analytic, which take a step further by asking, why is it happening? So it identified the patterns and the root cause behind the data trends. For instance, if a sales dropped last quarter, right, diagnostic analytic can help to uncover the reason like, oh, it is a market change or is this a product issues. The next, we have predictive analytics, which focus on the future. So it will answer things like what is likely to happen. So this type of analytics is used for forecasting the outcome of such as the sales trend or customer behavior. For example, it can predict the future sales based on the past performance and the current market conditions. And then we got the prescriptive analytics, which go beyond the predictions, which address what is the action should be taken. So it suggests the best course of actions based on the data-driven insights. For instance, after predicting a drop in the customer engagement, it might recommend a specific marketing strategy to counteract to this trend. So finally, we got adaptive and autonomous analytics. This is the most advanced, answering how does the system adapt to the change. So it used in real-time system like autonomous vehicle or algorithmic trading, where the system continuous learning and adapts. Though it's still in infancy stage, but it is a type of analytic which represent the future of an automated and decision making. Now let's categorize the different type of the analytic into three main groups that are commonly used in the workspace. First, we have business intelligence, which primarily align with the descriptive analytics. Next is the self-service analytics, which correspond to diagnostic analytics. And finally, we have the smart analytics, which encompass predictive, prescriptive, and adaptive and autonomous analytics. Now we have categorized these different types of analytics. Let's look at some of the tools that fit into each of the category. So for business intelligence and self-service analytics, tools like Cloudera Data Visualization, SAS, IBM Cognos, Power BI are commonly used. For smart analytics, which include predictive, prescriptive, adaptive, and autonomous analytics, tools like SAS VR, Azure Machine Learning, H2O AI, Cloudera Machine Learning are prominent. So with this understanding of the tools available, let's dive deeper into what each of these analytic categories really means and how they are applied in practice. Let's take a closer look at what these categories means in the practical context. So for business intelligence, which is short in SBI, focus on understanding the current business situations. It uses the historical data to create a report and dashboard that help businesses to track and analyze their past performance. Then for self-service analytics, it's all about empowering the user to analyze the data on their own. This means a non-technical user can dig into the data and uncover the insight without needing to rely on a specialized data team. It's about making the data accessible to everyone within the organizations. And for smart analytics, represent the cutting edge, leveraging the technologies like machine learning and artificial intelligence. So machine learning is used to predict the future outcomes and trends, helping the businesses to anticipate what's coming next. Meanwhile, the artificial intelligence takes things further by automating and optimizing the business processes, moving towards a more autonomous decision making. So as we move from business intelligence to self-service analytics and then to smart analytics, we see an increase in both the value and the complexity of the insights we can gain. So this progress guides businesses from understanding their current situations to achieving the advanced automation and optimizations. Okay, building on what we have just discussed, let's look at how self-service analytics evolve into the smart analytics. So as we move forward, the focus shifts from IT professionals handling the data with business intelligence to empowering more business users with self-service analytic. This change allowed people in departments like HR, marketing, finance to create their own reports and easy to use using easy to use tools, making things faster and more flexible. But if not managed carefully, this can lead to an inconsistent result. Then we move into smart analytics. where we use the advanced technology like AI and machine learning to gain a deeper insight and predict future trends. While these tools can provide powerful insights, they also require a very careful planning and good data management. Each step of this process is not only add more values, but also increase the complexity and impact of the insights that we can achieve. So in the analytics space, we have a diverse range of vendors offering various tools and solutions. This slide showcases just a brief of the options that are available to the businesses looking to take leverage on the data analytics. You can see a well-known names such as Cloudera, SAS, Oracle, MongoDB, NVIDIA, and DataRobot, among others here. These vendors provide everything from data visualizations and machine learning platform to data management and AI-driven solutions. Each of these players contribute uniquely to the analytic ecosystem, offering tools that help the organizations to extract value from their data. While data analytics is crucial, it is important to recognize that it is just one piece of the broader technology landscape. This slide emphasizes that the analytic is a significant part of the bigger picture, but doesn't stand alone. As a business integrate data analytic into their operations, they must consider how it interacts with the other key components like infrastructure, cloud services, and security. Without these elements working together, the full potential of analytics might not be realized. Now let's take a step back and look at the full technology ecosystem, which bring everything into focus. In this comprehensive view, we can see that data analytics is just one of the several crucial pillars, alongside with cloud, hardware and devices, network, platform, software, and security. What is important to recognize here that's for businesses to fully unlock the value of their data analytic initiative, they often need to integrate these other components. These are integrated, interconnected ecosystem create a variable upsell and the cross-sell opportunities. For instance, a company invests in analytics. They are frequently need an additional support in area like cloud infrastructure, enhanced security, or a reliable networking solutions to ensure they are getting most out of their data. So by adopting this holistic approach, businesses can not only enhance their analytic capability, but also drive greater value across their entire IT environment, leading to a more integrated and more optimized operation. Now let's take a closer look at the market opportunities and challenges of data analytics. Okay, let's start by examining the demand of the key technology skill set and solutions, particularly in data analytics and AI ML. On the left side of the slide, you can see that 33% of the partners are currently hiring for data analytics skills, making it to the top priority. Security following by 26%, and networking at 24%. This clearly indicates a strong market needs for the professional skill and in managing and interpreting data. On the right side, we see we see the future trend, which is the 37% of the partners are planning to offer data analytics and AI ML solutions within the next 24 months. So this reflect a growth in the data-driven and decision-making and the increased importance of AI and machine learning in the business operations. So this statistic actually highlight the significant significant market opportunities in these high demand areas. So continuing with the theme of growth, This slide provides a more detailed insights on into the rapid expansion of AI/ML. The first key point here we have is a 625% increase in AI/ML solutions offered by partners in 2023. This surged from 4% in 2022 to 29% in 2023, shows just how quickly AI/ML being adopted. Additionally, the plan to invest in AI and ML are on the rise as well. We see an 143% increase in investment plan from year 2022 to year 2023, with 14% of partners planning to offer AI/ML by 2025, jumping to 34% in 2023. These figures demonstrate that AI/ML is not just a growing trend, but it's a rapidly becoming a central focus of businesses which aim to stay ahead. So this slide shift our focus to growth prospect in the sales of big data and analytics software across various countries. So here, Japan is leading with a projected 11.39% compound annual growth rate in analytic software sales, followed closely by India at 12.28%. This number reflect the robust demand for analytic solution in these regions. And countries like Australia, Malaysia, and Singapore also shows strong growth, emphasizing that the expanding market for analytic software across the entire Asia Pacific region. So these statistics underline the significant opportunity for partners to tap into the growing demand of the big data and analytics in this high growth market. Now let's take a broader view of the global growth in big data and analytics software sales. So the market is projected to grow from 313 billion in 2024 to 470 billion by 2028, which indicating a strong and steady increase. The key driver of this growth include the rise of the AI/ML in enterprise applications, the growing importance of data in the modern business strategy, and the substantial opportunities for the services attachment and also the annuity renewal. This growth trajectory reaffirms the central role of the big data and analytics will play in the future of the enterprise technology. Finally, let's discuss the benefit of data analytics for both customer and partners. So for customer, there are 5 key benefits. The first one is gain greater insights into the target market. So this helps the businesses to better understand their customers. Then enhance the decision-making capabilities, which enable the companies to have more informed and timely decisions. Then create targeted strategies and marketing campaigns, which allow for precision in reaching the right audience or right customers. And fourth will be the improved operation efficiencies and minimize risk, which streamline the process and reduce the uncertainties. And the last one, the identifying the new product and services opportunities, opening doors to the innovation and growth. As for partner, the benefits are significant as well. First, the partner will get an advanced analytic module, which this offer a sophisticated tools that meet the customer needs. And consulting services plus professionals services, which expand the service offering to include high value consulting. Third, the data management solution plus security, providing a comprehensive solution that address both data and the security needs. And lastly, infrastructure plus cloud solutions, creating an opportunity for bundling and upsell across multiple technology areas. So in conclusions, the growing demands for data analytics present a substantial opportunities. By understanding this benefit and aligning them with the market needs, partner can drive both customer success and also the business growth. Now let's take a closer look at the aggregated solutions for data analytics. In this section, we will highlight the key analytics vendors that we distribute, providing an essential tools for modernizing and advancing your business analytics. So first, Cloudera transform the complex data into actionable insights by streamlining AI workflow. Their platform integrated with advanced data processing and generative AI, enhancing the analytics and decision making across the enterprise. For Azure Analytics, it offers scalable, cloud-based tools that enable businesses to analyze data, uncover insights, and drive data-driven decisions across the diverse industry. SaaS provide a highly productive AI and analytic platform with SaaS Buyer. This cloud-native solution turns data into actionable insights, optimizing operations and driving informed decision across industry. OpenText focus on enterprise information system, offering solutions that enhance productivity and decision making by leveraging data to drive business outcome. And IBM Watson X accelerate the AI development with the advanced tools, helping businesses to harness the data and drive the innovation to meet the future challenges. Finally, H2O AI democratizes the generative AI with a powerful end-to-end platform that support both on-prem and cloud deployment, which help businesses to scale the AI initiative effectively. Next, let's look at our analytic blueprint for data modernizations, showcasing the end-to-end solution that we offer. Start with the collection. We gather data from various sources, including ERP system, databases, logs, and any third-party APIs. In the injections and transport phase, tools like Cloudera Dataflow or IBM data stage, which ensure the data is efficiently processed and move across the system. Moving to transformation phase, the platform like Cloudera Data Engineering or the Azure Data Factory helps in refining and preparing the data for future analytics. In the storage phase, we utilizing the data lake and data warehouse from Cloudera, IBM Watson X, and other providers to securely store the vast amount of data ready to be queried and to processing. In the query and processing phase, tools like SaaSVR, the Cloudera machine learning capabilities help in extracting the meaningful insight from the data. Finally, during the analysis and output phase, solutions like Cloudera Data Visualization and Power BI enable descriptive, diagnostic, and even predictive analytics, driving the business intelligence and decision making. Now let's review some of the aggregated solutions that we have developed by integrating the capability of our key vendors. In solution 1, we combine the Cloudera data platform with a Red Hat OpenShift and Dell PowerScale, delivering a scalable and secure analytics solutions that leverage both hardware and software strength. In the solution 2, we merge the SaaS VR with the HPE GreenLake, which integrating a high-performance computing with advanced analytics to deliver the powerful solutions. Solution 3, we have leveraged the SaaS VR on the Azure cloud platform, which offering a flexible yet scalable analytic capabilities. In the fourth solution, we have combined the H2O AI drivers AI with the Dell and NVIDIA hardware, providing a cutting-edge AI solutions with enhanced performance and scalability. Moving forward, we have solution 5, which integrate Cloudera, MongoDB, and Dell PowerScale to create a robust data management solutions for hybrid environment, which enable the seamless data integration and advanced analytics. Then we got a solution for SaaS VR data management with Cloudera Lakehouse, which overcoming the data duplications and the storage issue for more efficiency and better analytics. Next, we got a solution that integrates SaaS analytics with the Azure OpenAI and MongoDB to transform the banking compliance management, enhancing the efficiency and also the customer satisfaction. Finally, in the last solution, we integrate the OpenText Extended ECM with Microsoft 365, which offering a unified platform for document management and collaborations. Lastly, let's explore some of the solutions that apply across the different technologies and specific domains. In the automation category, we focus on intelligent document processing by automating the digitalization using the AI models from Cloudera, IBM, and SAS, along with the anti-money laundering ML, where we implement solutions like to improve the compliance framework and effectively report suspicious activities. For virtual assistant, we offer commercial performance management solution that leverage AI to generate insight on key performance indicator, driving the better sales and market share outcomes. Additionally, we have this adverse media screening, which automate the screening process to reduce the manual workload of AML investigator. In the content generation, we have solutions like Content Center Live Agent Assist, which provide a real-time content to agent during calls, enhancing the customer service experience. Moreover, we have the Voice of Customer solution, which help the businesses to translate and analyze the customer feedback, summarizing the key topics and the discussion for the actionable insights. Now we can explore the innovative application and success story of data analytics, focusing on the targeted solution that Tech Data is building. Let's now focus on how our analytics solutions tailor to specific industry, starting with the BFSI sector. So in the solution, we offering an integrated solution combining the SAS and Cloudera for AI-driven fraud detection and compliance. So this help the manage high volume of transactions while efficiently identify fraud. Additionally, we have Azure Analytics and SAS are used for the customer data insights and segmentation, allowing the personalized services. Then SAS and IBM Watson works together to ensure regulatory compliance and advanced data analytics. So the pain point across all these use cases are the primary challenge, including managing the detection of fraud in larger transaction volumes, ensuring the customer certification through the personalized services, and maintaining the regulatory compliance. As for the outcome, the benefit include like reduced fraud through a faster and more accurate detection, improve customer certifications, and enhance the compliance with the regulatory risk. In public sector, we have the use cases for like combining the OpenText and Microsoft for unified document management, breaking down the data silo. Then in IBM watsonx and SAS actually providing AI-driven resource optimization and decision-making process. It's very crucial for the managing budgets and resources efficiently. Lastly, we have the Azure Analytics and Cloudera for the data transparency and unified data management. So the pain point across is the key is to overcoming the data silo, managing the budget constraint, and also ensuring the data transparency in the citizen engagement. As for the outcome, by integrating the data, we break down silos, we're leading to a more cohesive information management, and we optimize the resources allocation within the budget constraint. As well, the transparency is improved, the better for citizen engagement is being guaranteed. So this slide showcases a successful POC that Cloudera execute for one of the largest and the most reputable financial service groups in APJ region. The bank known for its wide range of service, including commercial banking, wealth management, and insurance. is consistently ranked among the safest in the world. So they are on a mission to innovate, particularly in enhancing the customer experience and manage the risk through using AI and machine learning. So the challenge they are facing is the need to have a secure and customizable cloud-based solutions that can deliver a real-time personalized recommendations by integrating data from various sources. So to address this, Cloudera provide their data platform, creating a data lake within a private cloud environment. And this platform is powered by AI and machine learning on Red Hat OpenShift, was the key in driving the bank's recommendation system, specifically through a RAG chatbot. So a special call out goes to the Take Data COE Center, whose expertise was crucial in building and fine-tuning the POC environment. So their effort play a significant role in winning the customer confidence and ensuring the process successfulness. So this POC is clearly a clear example that how Cloudera and its partner can empower the financial institute with the innovative and data-driven solutions. And this slide highlights another successful POC that Cloudera delivered. So this time is for a customer in the education sector. So the customer and university aim to optimize costs by offloading their historical data to Cloudera. So this cost-effective approach is not only address the university financial concern, but also expanded its analytic capabilities. So by leveraging the Cloudera platform, the university was able to perform advanced data analytic, including utilizing the large language model, LLM, for various applications. So this ensure a more versatile and effective use of their data resources. So the university faced several business challenges, including high operation costs, limited analytic capabilities, and concern around the data accessibility and security. So Cloudera solution focus on cost optimization, enhanced analytic, and data security and compliance. This allowed the university to effectively manage their data while also expanding their analytic capabilities. So a special call here is the significant cost saving achieved up to a 50%, along with the expanded analytic opportunities and strengthened data privacy. So this benefit was the key outcome realized through this initiative, demonstrating the value of the Cloudera brought to the table. With with that, this is the end of my presentation. I'll pass on to my co-presenter, Mr. Karan, for the last session and the conclusions.
Thanks, Yangot. Hi, everyone. So this is the last section where we cover what Tech Data has to offer as a value-add services, where Tech Data aims to empower its partner to deliver the exceptional services to their customers and grow their businesses. Right? Seong, could you go next?
Yes.
So if you look at or you have gone through the solutions or the aggregated offerings that we have to offer, we do provide all of this to our partners through our Tech COE team, which is the Technical Center of Excellence team, which are all the subject matter experts across all the BUs who provide you with the skills and the ready solutions available, which can be taken to the market with these high growth technologies that we offer, right? So we ensure that the risk is minimized for you guys, and you are ready to take on the complex solutions in a very simplified manner. Right. So our Center of Excellence is a very adaptive and emerging technologies focused team. Right. So our team is available to all the partners on demand to take on the heavy lifting for doing the solution designing, pre-sales activities, technical integrations. You want to streamline or present a simplified model of solution aggregation to your customers. This team can be leveraged for that. Right. right? What we have done is basically we have, if you can look at the screen, we have structured around three fundamental pillars. The first pillar is our practice builder. The focus of the practice builder is enabling the partners on these high growth technologies, right? So we will be providing you with enablements which can go one-on-one enablements, or it can do a role based enablements like sales team or a pre-sales enablements, right? We have a partner roundtables or a customer in initiation technical discussions that we can do through these practice builder activities, right? The second is the solution factory, which is a very proven method to simplify the solutions in a way that we can provide you with solution plays, blueprints, demo catalogs, and the tools that are required to execute these solution plays, right? And the third pillar is the most important pillar, which focuses on getting you the wins through the deals that we are discussing, with an approach of providing you with demos, POCs, assessments, and workshop activities, right? So that we, with the use of our expertise and in conjunction with your team members, we can accelerate those wins for you, right? So in continuation to this, if you look at it from the perspective of the solutions that we have built, right? So uh, we can do a vendor specific, or we can do a aggregated solutions for you, right? We can build a framework or a blueprint for you, and then a customer can decide to take which options they can. So we can provide you with multiple options, and then the customer can define and say, okay, this is the right blueprint for me, and which are the vendors that can fit into those blueprints, right? So we have multiple options for each offering, which can be integrated into the solution, right? Uh, Siong, could you go next? Yeah. So in continuation to what we talked about, the practice builder of enabling our partners, right? We have also launched our own digital practice builder, which is a external web-based facing LMS portal, right? A learning online learning platform portal, which is digitally enabled or and available for all the partners with a self-paced on-demand learning content, right? So this digital practice builder is actually aimed at enabling the partners so that you can keep up with all the complex IT landscapes and the newer technologies that are coming on a very high rate, right? So with this launch of TPB, we have first rolled out our learning modules on Microsoft Cloud, and recently we have released it for data AI and analytics, right? And then in coming quarters, we will be also releasing it for cybersecurity. So if you look at from the perspective of data AI and analytics, we have different enablement modules or courses that we can call about, right? So if you look at, we have strategy courses, we have sales enablement, marketing and technical enablement courses. So based on individual roles, a person can either choose to complete a particular course, or they can go through all the four courses and get access to these. Right? It's a simple process. You just have to click on the registration web page. There's a landing page. Go and enroll it over there. There is no charge to enroll yourself. You just have to use your company email ID. You can't use your personal email ID. So go ahead, click on the enroll now button, and we will be sharing you the link for it. So once you have that enroll button, go to the landing page, enroll yourself, provide a very basic information, and get access to these courses, right? So this will tell us about uh, what are the strategy that Tech Data is following up, what is the solutions and the line cards we have to offer. You will get certain downloadable materials also available, and it's a combination of video, audio, and a text enablement courses which you can go through it. Um, if you have a team of salespeople whom you want to groom on these technologies, or you want them to have the clear fundamentals, you don't have to do the repetitive task. You just ask them to register and get themselves enabled on these courses, right? Uh, Seong, could you go next? So with this, I think we end our today's session, and we'll open up for the Q&As. Just for in case you want to reach out to us. I saw somewhere in the Q&A someone said how to reach to the team for certain solutions. So this is the email ID. You can write to us on this email ID, or you can scan the QR code and get those access to the demo request forms. And we do also have a upcoming lined up session which is in next month. So please do register for that as well. I think we'll add up the registration link in the chat window, so you can get that, and you can access to that registration as well. So with that, I end my presentation, hand it back to Ritika to see if we have any more Q&As that we can answer those questions. Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you for that insightful presentation, Seong and Karan. I am sure that our partners now have a better understanding of how tech data can support them in their analytics journeys. We will now move on to Q&A and respond to the questions that we have received from our partners. Okay, so the first question that we received is, what are the AI ML models or solutions available for AI ops requirement?
I can take that. So
Mhm.
we have multiple vendors actually having solution on that. In particular, H2O AI, which is doing a very focused job in this area. So it could be one of the good solutions. Also, we cannot forget about the Cloudera machine learning and also the SAS VR, which is also offering the same AI ML ops features in their platforms. So this could be a good starter.
Got it. Thank you, Seong. We'll move on to our next question for today. What are the different lakehouse solutions available which can help with testing and governing different ML or LLMs?
I mean, I will take that as well, right? So I mean,
Mhm.
for Lakehouse, it's more for the storage solutions. So if we talk about how do we govern in terms of data security, so a platform like Cloudera Data Platform, which offer one of the unique data lakehouse solution, right, is a very good example that where you can do that. But in terms of governing the MLLMs kind of security, right, is yet another topics to be discussed. So it's not really a lot to do with Lakehouse, but instead it's more towards the AI ops or ML ops solutions. But definitely this platform, like I mentioned, Cloudera is one of the leading platform that actually providing such features to ensure the data security in the same time your AI and ML kind of security in the same platform. So that could be the solution they can look into.
Yeah, and to add to that, I think as Seong was mentioning in his presentation, we do have a very comprehensive solutions to offer, be it on-prem or be it hybrid setup or on cloud. So based on the requirements of the customer, we can really give multiple options over there.
Exactly.
Got it. Thank you, both of you. We'll move on to our next one. This one is from Vinayak, who's asking, how can the partners engage with tech data to find offerings of these vendors, and who are the key contacts from these new upcoming OEMs?
Harry, you want to take that?
Yes,
Please
okay.
do.
You can take it. So okay, I'll take that question. So Vinayak, I think we have the common email IDs. You can write back to us, and I think there's a group of SMEs that we have. So based on your request, a team of SMEs can reach back to you, connect, and then of course we can discuss further on how we can provide you support and help that is required for your offerings to your end customers. You can check the chat box as well. I think Dhwani or Ritika has already shared few connection points on how to connect with us, and it would be an easy connect for you.
Right. Thank you, Karan. So Vinayak, I hope we've got back on your query there. We'll move on to our next question, which is from Mudesh. who's asking, which of these provide analytics, logic, and show results?
Actually, to be honest, this I didn't hear that a lot, like analytics and logic and shows results. So I will only guess it's like a more modern way of doing analytics, which is more on low code and no code kind of environments. You just put in whatever you ask, right? Drag and drop, and you get your result. It's more like a self-serve analytics way, right? Across of our vendors, there are few that actually offering such. For example, again, Cloudera, right? So they have features, but it's not entirely end to end. It's somehow in the middle, but you can do that. So I'm not sure whether that actually answer to the questions, but yeah, that's all I got.
Okay, thank you, Seong. Mulish, you are free to reach out to us
Yeah,
with more details on this,
we'll discuss
so that
further.
we can, yes, we can get back on your question. We'll move on to our next one, which is, what are the best practices for integrating AI-driven analytics into existing business processes without causing major disruptions?
I mean, I get that kind of questions a lot from partners or even end users, right? They want to venture in, but they don't want to mess up with the current business process or to cause anything big, right? So our suggestion is always like you can start with a small scale first, pilot out your environments in somewhere like in public cloud or somewhere isolated from your main environments. Then you can definitely, with that environment set up, you proven some of the concept or proven some of the use case, then you can get your stakeholder to buy in. Of course, you can also collaborate with IT for sure. You need to have that to ensure that the whole things have to be deeply or integrate into your business without any major disruption for sure. So that could be the way to do so.
Okay. Thank you, Seong. I can see one more question in our Q&A window as of now. This one is, how can small and medium-sized enterprises start implementing data analytics with limited resources and expertise?
I mean, this is yet another question we are being commonly asked, that how, because we know that the big enterprise, they have no problem in budgetary, in resources, in even the talents that they can leverage on data analytics area, right? But for SME, how can they get started? So they should first understand why they need data analytics. What is the data analytics for in their business case? So that is the main thing they have to get out. Like, for example, I want to understand my business further. I want to understand my customer further. You have a clear objective, what you want to do. Then you need to start understand your own data. Where is your data located? What data do you have? How can you leverage your own data to achieve the goal, right? So if even you have the objective layout, but you don't have the data to supporting that, that's also not realized, cannot be realized, right? The next thing is definitely looking into the right tool. So we know that data analytics solution can be very expensive, but you don't have to use that as the starter, right? So you can use something more scalable, more affordable, like Power BI, like Azure Analytics, something that fit into your current situations, and you can scale out when your data growing or your business growing. And definitely you should also venture into like outsourcing this uh, thing to outsource, right? Because you can't afford to have a data team as a starter, right? So you can also try to venture to for the outsourcing part. Where do you source for your talent in the company? Yeah, that's
Got
the
it. Okay, thank you, Seong. Karan, do you have anything to add here?
No, I think he has covered up the most. Thanks.
Okay. So I believe those were all of the questions that we have received from our partners today. Remember that you can always connect with us even after the webinar with your queries, if any. Just write to us at coe.apj@techdata.com, and we would be more than happy to get back to you. We also request you to respond to the survey that has been shared over chat. Let us know what you liked, what was relevant to your business, and what we can do better for you the next time. With that, we have come to the end of today's exclusive virtual event on Data Analytics 101. I would like to thank our key speakers, Seong and Karan, for sharing these detailed technology insights with our valued partners. We sincerely hope that all of you have enjoyed learning about the scope for business growth and profitability in analytics and look forward to collaborating with us in the near future. Thank you for joining us today.